Today we're talking about a little something called a transmission, also known as a gearbox. Think of it as the translator between your engine and your wheels. It's the unsung hero that lets your car go from a standstill to, well, not a standstill. Without a transmission, your car would be about as useful as a chocolate teapot. Your engine spins much faster than your wheels can handle. And that's where the gearbox comes in. It acts like a set of gears on a bicycle, allowing you to adjust the engine's power delivery to the wheels. In simple terms, the transmission matches the engine's speed to the speed you want to go. Low gears are for low speeds and high torque, like pulling away from a stop, while high gears are for cruising at higher speeds. Now let's talk about why we need this whole gear-changing business in the first place. Engines have a sweet spot, a specific range of revolutions per minute, or RPM, where they produce the most power. If you've ever redlined your engine, you've found the limit of that sweet spot. The problem is, your engine's sweet spot doesn't always align with the speed you want your wheels to turn. That's where the transmission swoops in to save the day. It acts as an intermediary, using different gear ratios to match the engine's output to the desired wheel speed. Think of it like this. When you start from a standstill, you need a lot of power to get moving. The transmission selects a low gear, which reduces the engine speed relative to the wheels, giving you that extra oomph you need. Now, for those who like a bit more involvement in their driving experience, there's the manual gearbox. This is where you, the driver, become one with the machine, using a clutch pedal and a gear stick to shift gears manually. It's like a dance, really. You press the clutch, move the gear stick to select the desired gear, and then smoothly release the clutch while applying the accelerator. Nail it and you'll feel a surge of satisfaction as the car seamlessly shifts gears. Of course, mastering the art of the manual gearbox takes practice. Get it wrong and you'll be rewarded with grinding gears and potentially some choice words from your passengers. Section 4, automatic transmissions, shifting without the fuss. But let's face it, not everyone wants to wrestle with a gear stick in rush hour traffic. That's where the automatic transmission comes in, taking the hassle out of gear changes. With an automatic, you simply select drive, put your foot down and let the car do the rest. The magic of an automatic transmission lies in its complex system of planetary gears, hydraulic fluid and sensors. It constantly monitors your speed, engine load and throttle input, automatically selecting the appropriate gear for the situation. It's the ultimate in driving convenience, especially for city driving or long motorway journeys. However, some driving enthusiasts argue that automatic transmissions can feel a bit detached, robbing you of some of the connection you get with a manual. Section 5, manual versus automatic, which one wins? So, which type of transmission is better? Well, as with most things in life, it depends. Manual transmissions offer a more engaging driving experience, greater control over the car, and often better fuel economy. They're the purest choice, and the one for drivers who like to feel connected to the mechanical symphony happening beneath the hood. On the other hand, automatic transmissions provide unparalleled convenience, especially in stop-and-go traffic. They're also more forgiving for new drivers who are still getting used to the art of driving. Ultimately, the choice comes down to personal preference and driving style. There's no right or wrong answer, just different strokes for different folks. Section 6. Knowing your gears. Why it matters. Understanding how your car's transmission works is about more than just impressing your mates at the pub. It gives you a deeper appreciation for the mechanics of driving and helps you become a safer, more aware driver. Knowing when to shift gears, whether you're driving a manual or an automatic, can improve your fuel efficiency, reduce wear and tear on your car, and even help you avoid accidents. It allows you to anticipate the car's behavior and react accordingly, making you a smoother, more confident driver. So, there you have it, a crash course in car transmissions. Now go forth and conquer the open road, armed with the knowledge to make your gearbox your new best friend.